Ron back from the Autel channel here. Today I have a new item. I have the quiet propellers for the Autel EVO 2 drone. So we'll be right back. Okay, what I'm showing you today is the propeller, the low noise for the EVO 2 series. And I got these right before, I ordered them right before the Christmas holidays, and they came about a week ago, whatever. And I've just been busy with a lot of other projects and didn't get the full around with them. So I'm trying to do more videos here on the Autel EVO 2, which I've had for a couple of months now. I've got it back around in October, around time of my birthday. You know, I really like it so far. I've got a few videos out on it, but again, I want to get more in depth with the thing going forward here. So why did I order the low noise propellers? Because you know, drone's kind of quiet for a big drone. Big powerful drone, it's kind of quiet anyways, but you know, you're never gonna have too quiet. But the big thing I liked about them, I heard a couple channels talk about them. Ken Dono's one of them. That not only did they make the drone more quiet, but also they the motors spun better, easier, with less resistance with them, and they're hoping that can alleviate the cracks that some people have got on the body with the EVO 2. You know, it's all theory at this point. I don't think Autel said anything themselves, but people theorize that these propellers will spin with less resistance against them and put less stress on the body frame. I know our good friend Al Diaz, he had a crack in his shell in his EVO 2, and he had sent it back in for repair. You know, that's one part. But I know more that Al's had the cracking. So hopefully this will, you know, prevent that in the future update. But let's get these out of the box and get them like on the EVO, see how they look on it, see how easily they fit. And just another quick note here. I don't want to make this video too long here. When I purchased these directly from, no, I didn't purchase them directly from Autel. I purchased them from DroneWorks. I will, you know, put a link down below someplace. And I was able to get, like, you know, buy one, get one free. I did have to pay for shipping, but I got a buy one, get one free on them. So I think it was the total bill was like maybe $29.97 for the two of them. Plus shipping, I don't know, but something like that. It was a good deal. So I don't know if that deal's still in place. So I'll try to link below if I find a better deal, like on Amazon. I don't think Amazon had them, or you know, buying from Autel directly. I will put those links down below too. If I can find them on Amazon, I'm an affiliate on Amazon, but I'm not an affiliate for DroneWorks or Autel or anybody else. So just full disclosure there, and I, you know, did pay for these my own money. Was not sent these for any type of review. So let's get on to the hands-on section where I install the propellers. Be right back. Alrighty, here. Well, we have the EVO 2 Pro here. Let me get this thing unfolded here. This big orange bird. Let's see here. Yeah, it's been a little cold this past couple days to fly, so I haven't had the air for a few days. But you know, it's a good winter bird. You know, handles the you know, the winter weather pretty good. The high gusty winds down here at Jersey Shore. So let's see. Let's open these for the bottom here. You know, just the standard, you know, kind of black and orange design you see from the Autel products. It's got a few disclaimers on the back here telling you it's a low noise propeller. For the EVO 2, you know, gives Autel's offices and whatever, and gives you a couple, you know, barcodes on the back there. So nothing really to talk about on the back there. And let me see what the best way to open this is. Okay, I don't think there's any tape on here, so it makes them easy to get out. So again, each of these box has, you know, you have to get 2 boxes to get a full set. So you have each one has. Funny how everybody has the same plastic coating on their propellers, no matter what company you get them from. So here's what the tips on these quiet noise propellers look like. and I will show you the ones on the standard propellers in a second here, and then they give you a little informational sheet here. I had it upside down there. They show you the difference of the propellers on the sheet there. So okay, let's get these off here. I'm going to cut this video here so you don't have to see me take each one out of the bag. So again, you get a set here. You can see the difference here. See how it has this one has the white ring around it, and this one has the black ring. So it color codes you to know how to put them on the drone, which I'll show you in the next segment. So we're going to cut this here. I'm going to get the other ones out of the bag. So, all right, I got all 4 propellers out of the bags now. I'm ready to go. So let's take the old propellers off. So okay, let's see here. We going to open it up here. We're going to turn. I'm going to turn this. It shows you right on the propellers there which direction to turn. I hope I could focus here. But so this one here, to loosen up, I want to turn clockwise. Okay, so that one's off, and see that's that'll be a black propeller. So this is the difference in the. Sorry, I got a black shirt on here. I got too much black going on, but you can see the difference. And this is the standard, and this is the quiet noise. So you can see the difference in tips in the end. They look to be about the same exact length otherwise, and they feel the exact same weight. But you can see down here too, there's a different cut down here. This has like a cut-in look, and this goes, narrower by, evenly, and this one has this big cut-in. So you can see there is quite a bit of difference. Sorry, I keep getting my black shirt in the way here between the two. So let's install the new one. So this is the old one. We'll put the old one aside here, and we'll put the new one on. So again, it tells you how to twist it here. So to put it on and to tighten it up here, I'm going to twist it counterclockwise. Okay, so once you can't turn anymore, it's on. So we'll do one of the white ones here. I'll turn this in a different direction for you here. So again, to remove it, we want to go counterclockwise. We'll put the old propeller over here, and one of the new white ones over here. So to tighten it up, we're going to go clockwise this time. All right, so again, it's you go as far as you can, and it's on there. All right, I won't bore you installing the other 2 propellers. You saw how it's done and how they fit the differences. I don't know. I'm going to, of course, take this house and do a test flight here as soon as my weather gets better. Maybe even tomorrow, hopefully. And, I will try to, determine the quad. I don't have one of those fancy noise meters to test them both, but maybe I'll, if it's not too windy, I'll run them close by and just grab an audio recording with my iPhone or something like that to see if you could hear the difference out in the field. And but I'm anxious to see how they perform in the air, whether I feel like they're spinning at a more high efficiency rate. Maybe I'll achieve a little bit more speed or a little bit better handling if they do indeed spin better on the drone, if they're more aerodynamic to the wind. Hopefully it helps performance out, which again would be more important to me than the noise factor, since the old propellers weren't really that noisy. So okay, I don't know if I'm going to post this as a standalone video or whether I will wait and combine it all with a flight video in the same or separate them. So, that's to be seen here. So I may even cut this part out eventually. So, okay. That's it for Ron's, EVO 2 world today here. And again, promise more stuff coming on the EVO 2 coming out. We got a lot to talk about. This new firmware out. There's a new EVO care plan. So we're going to get into all that in future episodes of Ron's Autel world. Okay. See you on the next one, as they all say.